lavender and garlic bed. It's got garlic growing along there. Over there is marigold, lettuce and capsicums. We've got garlic and yucca. At the back there is sweet peas. Then I'll just swing around to this one. Got warrigal greens, thyme, and a bit of mustard in here that I just planted. In this bed over here we've got our first tomato of the season and parsley. Then we've just got our little silver beets that I just planted. And this is our spontaneous bed, so a bit of everything growing in there. Basil, potatoes, onions, nasturtiums, geraniums, you know what I got in there. And this is our broccoli that has gone to head. So it's got a gorgeous flower that the bees absolutely love. So sweet peas. Got our greenhouse and our worm farms down there. And that's our fig tree, with a lot of alyssum down the bottom. So we've got 3 figs on there at the moment. It's our spinach sweet potato bed, this one here. It's got a lot of spinach. Don't know how many sweet potatoes we got. Ah, look what I just found. Got 1 potato sitting right on top. I might just bury that down. Must have come up when I was digging a spinach out. So around here we've got our mulberry tree. It's just starting to get its leaves, which is cool. There we've got our Malabar spinach. This one's alyssum. And this one's pretty much a nude bed because I'm waiting to see whether or not my thyme grows back. Which a little bit of it is. Just that little one creeping thyme there. Around here we have got our potato pickling bucket. Then here we've pretty much just got some mixed flowers growing over in the corner. And then our Anzac rosemary growing, just slowly getting there. It's pretty root bound when I bought it. Here we've got our strawberry guava and our creeping rosemary. This one here is our potato stock and rosemary bed. So just get a better angle. So that one's just our normal table rosemary. A big stock plant. This is our broad beans. And then we've got potatoes growing in amongst them. Around here we've got some more creeping rosemary. A bird bath. Aloe vera, which is just starting to flower. And we've got some more seedlings. So these ones are all sunflower. Then I've got some cuttings in amongst those.